When you look at my career as an aviator, I look a little different. I'm usually the only one that's 5'4". There's no one shorter than me. Usually the only immigrant, and usually the only female. Look at all these boys. Boys, 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 boys. You don't need permission to be you. Embrace it, lean into it, stand up tall. Because if you can be authentic, if you can bring in your passion, because your passion, whatever makes you happy right in here, is your gift to the world. It's a gift to the community, and that is your strength. You have to have grit. You have to be a little hardcore. That means you have to step out of your comfort zone and do something that's a little hard. Because you're not gonna wake up one day and your dream, your passion isn't gonna be like, hello, I'm right here, right? You have to get out of that comfort zone, out of your comfort lane, and go get that dream. And I hate that question so much. I hate it so much. Is becoming a pilot hard? It's almost like I have this really awesome young individual that's excited about aviation, yet they're standing right in front of me and trying to figure out, should I be a pilot or should I not? If she says it's hard, I'm not gonna do it. If she says it's easy, then I'm gonna do it. Don't let the end goal scare you, all right? Just take it day by day. Don't let the end goal paralyze you. We often get so scared of that thing that we really, really want, like becoming a doctor, becoming a pilot, or starting a business, right? Don't focus on the end goal. Focus on just taking one step at a time. What if I fail? What if I fail? But what if failure was part of the process? What if failure was mandatory? Because you know what failure means? Failure means growth. Because that means you're trying different things, you're seeing what's working, what's not working. Failure just means growth, because you know what will stop you from getting to your dreams? It's inaction. So I'm gonna challenge you to something today, starting today. I want you to do something that's a little bit uncomfortable. But what we gotta do is shift the vibe from negative to positive. I got diagnosed with chronic sinusitis 3 years into my aviation career. I want you to think about that one bad thing in your life right now that is just weighing you down. Instead of maybe seeing it as a barrier, what if we even like lean into it and let it lift you up? So instead of looking at it as a challenge, what if we look at it as an opportunity? Click that autopilot off, all right? And take hold and navigate your passion. Don't let the headwinds scare you, and lean into the turbulence, okay? So don't ration passion, guys. Get out there. Woo! Yeah!